eater salad doesn't sound that fabulous until you taste it. Cannellini beans that are creamy and rich tasting with bright lemon. Artichokes in there too. Can't wait to show you this wonderful salad. You're gonna love it. Mangia fagioli. This is a northern Italy bean eater salad. The reason it's a bean eater salad is because of the cannellini beans. These are like white kidney beans, and they're from that area of Italy. You can find them in any grocery store. I'm going to show you how to make a salad that really shines these beans. First of all, we're going to add some seasoning to the beans. And the seasoning we're going to add is not only salt and pepper. So here we go with my pepper grinder and a little bit of sea salt. So some sea salt sprinkled over the top of them. And I rinsed and drained my beans. Now I'm going to put some olive oil in. This is Italian olive oil. I'm going to use some lemon juice, some lemon zest. So this is the outside skin of the lemon. So now I'm just going to stir it up. And that's the start of my salad. Not only is that the start of my salad, that's actually making a salad dressing at the same time. Now I'm going to put these bright beans, and the reason I'm calling them bright is because they smell like that with the lemon juice and lemon zest, in my bowl. I'm going to set aside these bowls, and I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. The first ingredient I'm going to add into my bean eater salad is some chopped basil, just like this. I'm using about 1/3 of a cup of basil in these beans because I want it to really sing with the flavors of northern Italy. So there goes my basil. Next up, I'm going to put in some artichoke. So I'm going to put in about 1.5 cups of artichoke hearts. Now you can buy these frozen, and whenever I see them frozen, I buy them that way because they have good structure. But you can also find them in a jar or a can. If you buy the jar or can, make sure to rinse them and buy the ones that are in water, not oil. You're adding your own olive oil to create this salad. So here we go. Next up, I'm going to put in some color. I've got some very thinly sliced red onions, just about 1/4 cup. And I'm going to put those in, and I'm using the red onions not only because they're good for us with that bright color, but it's also going to be delicious in there when they marinate in that lemon juice and olive oil. I've got some chopped red pepper here, so just a little chopped red pepper. Look at the colors in this salad. Isn't it gorgeous? And last but not least, I have some grape tomatoes. And these red grape tomatoes have just been quartered, and I've got about 1 cup of them. I'm going to set that aside. Ooh, all those veggies were so juicy. I'm going to use my towel. Now all I have to do is just stir this up, and this is going to be a great side or salad for our Italian dinner from northern Italy. One more thing, and that is I'm going to pop it right into our bowl so I can show it to you. Look at this salad. I can't wait to eat it. Of course, like any bean salad, if you put it in the fridge for a couple hours or even overnight, those beans are going to up that lemon juice and olive oil. It's going to taste even better. Look at this salad. Wouldn't you be excited to serve this to family and friends? I hope you love making it at home.